A word about the paramotors. It was established in the year 1998 at Parachute Regiment Training Center, Bangalore. Since then, scores of combatants have been trained on paramotors. The first major expedition, which lasted 60 days from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, was held in the year 2005. The paramotors can fly up to a maximum height of 10,000 feet. It weighs 45 kgs and requires an ideal wind speed of 6 to 8 knots. It is a wonderful sight. The gentlemen dance like Rakesh Kumar and dance like Gary Singh. Coming to the bread and butter of the Vipers, we have the captain,
Second man. Laka ball dhoro. Tulbi na. Go, Gandhi, go, Yalva. Hey! Go. Volley. Volley again. Action after way, Gandhi.
So run, Duran, run for Duran!
आजर के पास
Oh, ready, Sujay, ready. Third. Pega de third. Já. Babon, tiga deh. Babon, Babon.
One at a time. Coach.
We would like to thank our chief guest for gracing us with your presence this evening. A very big thank you to our guests of honor. We are grateful. And to you, ladies and gentlemen, thank you.
Sporting Club de Goa have set the ball rolling in a cracking fashion. They have got the better of United Sports Club from Kolkata by 3-2 in a fantastic match full of good goal-mouth action and lots of chances there for the neutrals to enjoy, as well as those who have come all the way from Panji as supporters of Sporting Club. They have also had a good time. Beginning in 1888 with Royal Scots Fusiliers being the champions, the Durand Cup is Asia's oldest football tournament and third oldest in the world. And it is probably the only tournament in the world where the winner gets 3 trophies. This beautiful 3 silverwares goes to the winners. Of course, the Durand Cup and the Shimla Trophy are rolling trophies, means the winner has to return these trophies to the organizers at the beginning of the next tournament, while the President's Cup is a trophy that the winner gets to keep. And who will take away these trophies? We will wait and see. And November 8th will be the day when the trophies will be given away. So that's all in this program. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.